This is a steel locomotive bell. You can see it's got a Graham White double action clacker. As you can see, it's got Graham White, and on the other side it has double action right here and a 508 salem right there. As you can see, right there, it has the pneumatic motor right there. As you can see, it looks like that the O-rings in there is good. It's got the mounting plate, and I just put a little 1/4 inch right there. I have 150 psi in the line, so right now I'm just going to test the pneumatic motor first, make sure that it works, and if it does, then I'm going to have it ringing. So, here we go. Alright, now I'm going to have it ring. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.